4, 3, 2, 1.
You will not stop the ascension of my empire!
Move. Roots to green.
Shapeshift.
Dodge blade. Get in your groups. Pop out 1.5.
Watch the waves.
Dodge 1. 2. Liquefied position.
Heal my
Move.
nobly.
Roots to green.
Tranquility. Shapeshift. Stampeding roar.
Dodge blades. More blades.
Melee,
Spread
watch
these down.
out.
Right. Get to your groups. Pop at 1.5 and stay with the boss.
And we're moving.
Dodge 1.
Watch the
2.
waves.
3.
Personals.
Roots to green.
Shapeshift.
Dodge blade. One of the toxins goes on X. Everyone else baits away. Bait away. Go in, pop at 1.5.
Watch the waves.
Dodge 1, dodge 2, dodge 3. Spread out.
5,
All the way back.
4,
Health stone if
3,
you're low, watch where you're
2,
getting pulled.
1.
Stampeding roar.
Wave 1. Watch
Wave
wave 2.
Wave 3, we got a pull,
5,
immunes, personals,
4,
all the way out, and
3,
watch where you're getting pulled.
2, 1.
Personals. Immune.
Spread out and watch wave 1. Wave 2,
Watch
Wave
wave
three.
3 as it passes through. And now we watch balls and don't
Take
forget
gate
kicks.
Thul and May are
Balls from
first.
behind. I don't have this kick.
3,
Does someone get this kick? Good job.
2,
I also kicked someone's
1.
one.
Go.
I don't have this one.
Someone cover
And
three.
dodge. And dodge. I have the next kick if it's necessary. In front.
4,
Good comms.
3, 2, 1.
All right, Hellstone. Good baits. Watch your health. Don't die to the beam.
Champ and Dog are first. Bait to the side.
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1. Go.
1.
Hold your twos.
Fog and Knight are next. Bait beam to the side in 2. Fog and
Watch
Knight.
the beam.
3, 2, 1. Go.
4,
Get ready to clip.
3, 2,
And we are up
Stampeding
in
roar.
3, 2, 1, up.
First on this platform will be
Personals.
Leos and Gnome. Bait away. Leos
And watch
and
the beam in
3,
personal.
2, 1. Go. Azlith
Watch
and
the
Gondor.
beam and the
after the
pool.
rest.
2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh.
And when we get to the top, range spread, watch the balls. Do not forget a kick, watch the balls.
Fog and Night whenever you get there.
Take gate next.
Watch the balls. I got first kick, watch the balls.
Take gate next.
Dog and Leos.
Don't forget a kick.
Watch
Look at
the
the balls.
Dog and Leos.
Another
in
set of
3,
balls.
2, 1, go.
Balls again. Watch out.
Take
Don't
gate
don't
next.
whiff the kick. Watch the balls.
4,
We're going up
3,
now.
2, 1.
Okay. Range to moon. Melee to star.
Entire generation of Nerubians is tainted. Your ascension. A fool for my transformation.
First up
This
is
goes into the
squirrels
corner.
and little ads. Get ready
No mind Oakley.
and move.
Mark skin.
CC after Rob. CC now.
Watch your feet. Web blades soon.
Big ads are spawning. Ranged go to the far ones. Melee to the close
Web
one.
blades.
Don't pick up the things. Watch blade. Don't be in front. Do not pick up the essence. Portals are coming out next. Get to the mark.
Look at the markers and ads dying soon. Watch out, guys.
Watch these essences. Don't pick them up. Ring is
Dodge.
about to form. Grab your essence and watch the weak aura.
Stampeding roar.
Personals rally.
Personals.
Spread
Speed
out.
plus watch balls.
Battle
And
res.
cluster the essences.
Both of them. And baton pop me and put it into the corner. Watch your feet. Battle res
Well,
Warhol.
He's in
I'm on the other
Africa.
side of the
Just leave him.
Don't worry about him.
Get ready to bait. Move.
Blades in 2.
Here,
Lust.
Don't let the
Blow
ads
these ads
touch.
up. CCs. Rebuffs when we get a second.
We go
Shackles
to blue.
orange.
Inside the AMZ.
Condemnations to circle.
And just don't
Do
pick up
not
an
be in
essence.
front of the ads. Don't pick up the essence. Kick them when you can.
8.
Keep kicks
We
up
have
and do
plenty
not
of
pick
time.
these essences up.
Look at the markers for the kicks. It's gonna be these
sorry,
two
man.
right here.
Portals are next.
Portals go to markers. Greens to the left pillar. I'm grabbing boss.
Ring is the next mechanic.
Eat
Look
me
at
up.
where the essences are.
I'm sorry. Someone get blue.
Grab your essence.
Pick up that essence that's about to get hit by the wall and just go through on the timer in 2.
Stampeding roar.
Everything
go,
we
go,
have.
Plus watch balls.
Everything we have.
Personals.
Rewind
Spread
the
out.
damage. Dodge.
Does not
Tell
matter
the
where
block
you drop
up.
them. Range to skull pillar. Watch these orbs.
Let's kill the ads and it's free.
Just kill the ads.
Mark skin.
Make
Kill
sure to
the
save
ads.
CC until after
Kill
the
the
rock.
ads. Just kill the ads.
CC now. Blast these ads.
Watch
Watch
your
these
feet.
web blades. Blast the
Just
ads.
kill the ads.
CC
Kill the
them.
ads. Shut the fuck up and kill the boss.
Let's go! Woo! Also, fuck you, over put that on my teleport.
This madness is
Big loot.